baby, and I'm back with another video. You already know, NEVUARY Day 2. We love it. So today's video is a review over this lovely hair. I know y'all see it. Look at it. Like, girl, y'all know I gotta represent my Black Lives Matter hack. Y'all already know. February equals what? Nevia's birthday plus Black History Month. So I have to give them credit because y'all know Black Lives Matter, period. I don't care what anybody says. Now, I'd like to thank you so much for Odinsonhair for endorsing this video. Girl, this hair is so cute. I was very much feeling myself today. I got to run some errands, looking cute, doing some schoolwork, looking cute, like who you know. Nobody can touch me, black and beautiful and proud of it. Yep, can't tell me nothing. But this is the body wave hair. All the details will be on the screen, of course. Just so I don't get anything wrong. But yes, this hair is pretty long. It goes down to like my butt. But yeah, this is some really good hair. Highly recommend this hair. I feel like it's very good for the winter time too, since it's like really good thick hair. And so, you know, it can help you stay warm, but you also looking cute, like a boss, like a baddie. And that's what we want. That's what we promote. So yeah, this hair is really good. It does not have a bad smell or anything. When it comes with a net cap that you can use to install the hair. Now, I did not use that cap. I used a regular bald cap, and I just did the bald cap method to install this hair. But yeah, it comes with that. It comes with in just a bag, like your little regular fishnet. And yeah, so easy and accessible to get to. Nothing more, nothing less. Very simple hair. The hair comes intact. It is a wig. It comes very quickly. I did not have to wait that long, honestly. I ordered it sometime last week, and it came, but like at the end. So I give it, or Saturday. I ordered it Saturday, I think, and it literally came Sunday or Monday. It came Monday, and it was like, girl, that's so fast for some hair. Like, she really out here getting it. And just look at these looks. Like, child. Who y'all know? Because y'all know I just cut my hair. And I got to get used to. And I have to get used to having my short hair and all that stuff. So I was like, girl, yes. Give me this today. I look like I am ready to handle some business, but still looking cute. If you have not seen my lovely daily big chop video, it will be linked down below. It was NEVUARY Day 1. Keep in mind that today is only day 2, so only more bangers to come. Make sure you subscribe. I just want to put that out there because, girl, I do hair reviews all the time, and I look too cute. Odinsonhair, y'all did that. Y'all really did that. Like, I'm looking so good in y'all hair. Like, wow, thank you so much for reaching out and giving me this hair. But yes, that's all I have to say. This, once again, let me give you a little recap. This hair comes fast. It does not have a smell to it. It comes with a net cap, not a bald cap. So if you prefer to have a bald cap, then be sure to go purchase one before getting it. The hair is really good hair. Look at that body yada. Yes, girl, because this is giving body. This is giving, who, me? Oh, me? Yeah, me. But yes, this hair is super cute, super good. And remember, Black Lives Matter. Support, protest, love every skin tone. It does not matter what's on the outside, but what is on the inside. I hear that? Inside. Okay? And yeah, remember, when you walk into the room, oh, wait, no. Subscribe, like, comment, smash that bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. And now, remember, when you walk into the room, you put the chain on top. Bye. It's Richie. Bye.